Hello folks, I want to really quickly explain to you a little bit about how to do the all things being equal lab discovery. And specifically, we're talking about the back of page 1, procedure for part 1. Okay, so we have two beakers here. This is beaker A here. This one is a 1,000 milliliter beaker, and you're supposed to have about 700 milliliters of water in there. I put food coloring in it so you could see it a little better. You're not going to be doing that. And then over here I have beaker B. Beaker B is empty at the moment. Okay. Then I'm going to make a little data table, which I drew right here. So at the first trial or zero trial, beaker A has 700 milliliters in it, and beaker B has 0 milliliters in it. What we do from there is we have two small beakers. We have a small beaker, which should be a 50 milliliter beaker, and we have a bigger small beaker, 100 milliliters. Oh, you can't see that. There. Okay. The smaller beaker, the 50 milliliter beaker, goes with beaker A, the beaker with water already in it. The 100 milliliter beaker goes with beaker B, which is the one that's empty. All right. So now what you're going to do is you're going to fill up, to the best of your ability, this little 50 milliliter beaker from beaker A and dump it into beaker B. Then, to the best of my ability, I'm going to fill up this smaller, the 100 milliliter beaker from beaker B. I'm not supposed to tip the big beaker though, so that's all I can get in there. Okay, that's one cycle. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the volumes, and you're not going to be able to get this exact, so I'm going to say this is about, I don't know, what do you think, 700, so we have 600, 650, I don't know, 675, let's say. Which means I completely can't read that one, but if that's 675, that would be about 25. So that's what I did there. You then do another cycle. So the small 50 milliliter beaker, fill it up to the best of my ability into beaker B. And then the 100 milliliter beaker, fill it up to the best of my ability, dump it into beaker A. That's cycle number 2. I'm going to measure the volumes from beaker A, beaker B again. And you're going to keep doing that back and forth until, and this is in D here. You probably can't read it, but right there, D, it says continue cycles and record the volumes until the level of the water in beakers A and B are unchanging. Doesn't mean they need to be the same, but they need to stop changing. You write down the same numbers for at least 4 cycles. Okay, hope that helped.